Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the step and the ramp functions. So now I will show you how to answer. If we look carefully about this one, we have the slope. That's it. We can use about ramp functions. So in this situation, I will use about this signal in here to represent about ramp function. When t equals to negative number 3, we have the ramp in here. So that should be about t plus 3. When t equals to negative number 3, they start at number 0. So that's why we have this ramp in here. When t is smaller than negative number 3, they will got about 0. Now, the next one, they will become this one in here. That means we need to minus about another ramp function. And I will put about t plus 2. Why we do have this one? So here is about the ramp. So here is about negative number 3. Here is about negative number 2. For the first one, that should be go this way. For the second one, they will go in this way. So when at t equals to negative number 2, location in here, you got about number 1. So the next one, we want to create about this one in here. So we need to minus about this area in here. To minus about this area in here, we need to minus about another ramp function in here. So this one is about positive, this one is about negative. We want to cancel this area, we need to minus this ramp function. So that if we delete this one, and you got this one like this. And that's why we need to minus about this one. Now, let's go to the next one. Form the ramp function in here. When t equals to number 2, they will go down. So, we need to minus another ramp function at t equals to number 2. When t equals to number 2, this one will minus for this ramp. Later that, they will go in number 0 in here. To prevent this one, they go down on this way. We need to put about positive. That means, for example, I will draw the graph in here. So when we minus about this one, they will go down on this way. But we don't want to this function they go down in negative infinity. They want to go to number 0 in here. That means we need to plus about another function in here. That's it about this ramp function. So this area in here and this area in here, they will cancel each other. That's why you got about 0 in here. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.